All right, so today we are working on Nate's Cummins, or one of his Cummins, I should say. We're hooking up some subwoofers in the back. Kind of run through that real quick. New CD player going in. We got a couple people over here. Let's see if All right, so you guys have not seen this truck yet, so we'll kind of run through it. Cold air intake, 12 valve Cummins. It's got what, the 5-speed, you said?
Yeah, out of V10.
Besides that, pretty clean truck. I mean,
Good work, Bader.
we got people over there working. Besides that, we'll get this kind of hooked up, and then we'll have to leave to test it because I can't do it at my house right now. It's kind of late, so and it's gonna be loud as fuck. So catch you guys here in a second. All right, so a little bit of an update. So we got this all ran. It's all 0 gauge wire too. My buddy Josh, he's doing all that. Nate is still working on the CD player. Almost done with that. And then the only thing we gotta do is hook up the amp, which won't take very long. And basically that's gonna be a wrap for this. Hopefully everything works. Then we're gonna go for a little ride probably and see how these things sound. Hopefully I can get a decent clip of it. I don't know how it's gonna sound with like on camera, because it'll probably be all like distorted and shit, but we'll try to get at least a clip of something. At least it, even if it doesn't turn out that great, at least we can make sure they work, and probably do like an outside video, see if like the windows are flexing and stuff like that too. So we'll see. Probably the next clip's gonna be everything put back together at least, and hopefully hooked up, and then clip after that will be us going for a ride. All right, here's the first test of the new subs. Hey, ready? All right, so it's the very next day, and look at what we're doing already on this truck. What you got going on down there, Nate?
The more you fuck with it, the more you gotta fuck with it.
So he already destroyed an alternator. At least that's what we think. So he's doing that right now. I'm working on Riley's dirt bike. Hopefully that this is the problem that he's having. Everything's got, I mean, he's got brand new batteries, another alternator. So I guess we'll have to see here in a second if that was the problem or not. Hopefully it was. Good thing these things are not like super difficult to take off. I don't know if you can see. Yep, so that's what we're doing right now. I guess we'll see here in a second after he gets all that bolted back up if this is gonna work or not. I'm trying to think. Yeah, we got everything buttoned up in here. New CD player. Subs are in the back. Amp way down there. So we'll see here in a couple of minutes what if this is the problem or not.
Ours in a big ground or something.
All right, so right now we just did what I think they call the big three. We ran 1 gauge wire, right to the alternator?
Yeah. Right
to the alternator. Josh is working on something right now. All this is hooked back up. Besides that, I think this thing's gonna be a wrap for the most part. I don't know if I got a good picture of this thing. Good looking truck. We got the little dirt bike running. So besides that, I don't know what else we're gonna do on this, but I'm sure next video we will have something new to work on. Like I said, all my buddies got trucks, all my buddies got a bunch of stuff to work on, so we'll see what the next video is gonna be like. We might have to do a ground, I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Josh, you know if we had to do a ground?
I think the upgrade does, you're supposed to put some type of ground or something, but I don't know.
Okay.
For right now, we can at least test and make sure the alternator's going.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna test the alternator and make sure that's good to go, and then we might have to put like a 1 gauge ground on it too. We're not 100% sure yet, so we'll see here in a minute.